Hello YouTube. Now this is a pair of binoculars that I've had for quite a while, and they originally had, you know, that rubberized surface to help you grip them. Well, after a few years, okay, maybe 20 years, it suddenly started disintegrating, and let me see if I can show you it. It's turned into this sticky mess that comes off in your hand like this. So it just comes off all over your hands. That's what it looks like. Now, everything sticks to it, and it's just a nightmare to use. So after some Googling on the internet, I found that if you use methylated spirits, and you just start wiping it off, so I've just got some kitchen towel, put some meths on it and started wiping it off, and it all comes off like some kind of black tar, because it's really sticky on the fingers as well. But if you put it on the kitchen towel and start wiping it off, that's what it looks like before. And when you wipe it off, let me move this side around, can you see how smooth that is? Now I've just used meths to wipe this down. I haven't used water yet to wipe off the residual meths. And I haven't fully finished under here, but on the top you can see how clean that is. So it's just plastic and it's not sticky, but I mean, there you can see from there to there, it's just, I mean, that's just me trying to hold it and let it go. And then over to this side, I'll try to do that this side. So yeah, just get some meths on some kitchen towel, start wiping it all off, and then you come up with this just nice plain plastic. I mean, it's even locked together, it's stuck together fast, and then it doesn't come off in your hands like this. And here it is with all the sticky residue removed, just leaving the hard plastic shell, so it's still totally usable. Once it was all removed, I gave it another wipe over with a damp cloth just to remove any remaining residue. This rubber of the eye sockets is absolutely fine, so that's okay. The optics as well are absolutely fine. And some of the logos were wiped off, but totally acceptable for a working pair of binoculars. So that is how you do that. And thank you for watching.